Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. For this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create slow motion video on TikTok. So to begin the process, first of all, open the TikTok application and get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the create icon on the bottom, tap create. Now you are at the creating a video piece. Here, to create a slow motion video, you need to tap on speed icon that is present at the very right hand side on the top just below the flip. Tap on speed. Then you will see these options over here. Here, to create a slow-mo video, you need to tap on the number below 1, that is 0.5x or 0.3x. You tap on those options and then you can tap on the red circle to create a video. Tap that. You can see the video has been created and the video is in 0.5 slow-mo mode. Now if you tap on post to story, this video will be posted to the story of yours. If you tap on next, you will be able to post this story on the TikTok. This is how you can create a slow motion video on TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.